Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually being uploaded the week I am on the cruise, so yeah, I'm currently in the ocean right now, but I'm filming a video with my friends, so these videos go out that week. So I'm here with Raymond, Valerie, Roby, and Casey, and we're gonna be doing a Bob Ross tutorial because we want to give it a try. So we're gonna give this a try. So yeah, we have the Bob Ross tutorial up, so that's what we're gonna do. Well, we're working with acrylics here.
So let's start out and have run all the colors across the screen, but you need to paint along with us while we're doing that. Let me tell you what I've got.
Okay, so in this friend group, the only artists are Casey and Valerie.
I only know how to do sunset.
I draw
That's what's in the middle.
That's good.
But then we're gonna cover it up with the mountain.
Okay, I think I paint more yellow.
On yours?
Yeah.
Why?
Here,
Oh, we're already 5 minutes into this video.
Oh, we are?
Yes. And we're only 42 minutes into the video.
Quality content, guys. Subscribe. Season 26.
How many seasons are there?
Many. Wait, so where does he paint?
I don't know. I put it in the top.
What are you doing?
Guys, I already punched you.
Oh wow.
That looks yellow.
Yeah, it's more yellow.
What the heck?
It's more yellow too.
Let's do it. Just make a little crisp.
I know. Mine is. I started from the
I
top.
don't have to clean it. Little yellow ochre. It's sort of a gold.
Right. Okay, pause it. We need to
Gorgeous,
play
gorgeous
it.
color.
I was being
Natural
stupid.
hue.
It's a primary,
It's a natural hue.
but it's also a primary color.
It's both.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Continue or no?
Hold on. That does not look like it. That does not look good. Mine isn't either. What is this, man?
I just love how on his, it's in the center.
I love how mine is all over the place.
I like how mine's a circle.
Oh no. Okay. Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, so I did that right. This is how I'm doing so far.
It looks like I'm making abstract cheese.
Oh, I just messed that up.
Who's ready? Oh my god, what are you doing?
Let's use a lavender color. Just brush mix it here. I'll use a little phthalo blue.
Did he clean his brush?
Nope.
Wait, no.
Still you do the same one.
He felt paint on me. Oh my god! The camera shut off, so we redid it.
Okay. Oh,
I don't actually know when it turned off, but this is my painting.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit it here and there up toward the top. I want that blue.
Oh my god, it's turned green.
Oh, I pressed the wrong one.
That's the most. You just need to tap about it. These colors
No!
just blend them together. And that's exactly what we're doing.
This is not gonna work out.
Thank God she had see me. The camera, she would have zoomed in on that.
Clouds and sky is just.
Shining bright, my looks like a midnight. That's the big time, bro. We need white! Wait! We need white!
oh wait.
You never give my red bag.
Do you know where the yellow is? Oh. Hey, meow diddly darn.
Mommy's just going in.
Hello. I made it a blog.
Oh, that is green.
I don't know what mine turning out to be, but this is it.
Just float around.
Me too. Now I feel bad.
Come on, guys, don't give up.
I don't know what to do. Looks a mess.
You didn't even cover it all at the bottom. They're still white. Where did I go wrong?
Everywhere.
Where did I go wrong?
Oh, I'm so
Who the fuck's everywhere?
I tried.
You didn't try enough.
I tried.
What are you doing?
He moved on. Oh my god.
He's on the mountain. There's mountains.
I don't want to do. Oh my
Mine.
god, mine's kind of.
Bam! Bam! It looks like cherry blossom.
I think I'm done.
I'm using a tiny brush.
What?
Okay. Everybody's done? Yes. I can't. I think I'm done. I'm done. going on. This is how Valerie's painting turned out.
I'm not done.
It's like the pride flag,
Oh shit.
I guess. Don't know if you can see it. It's a mess.
Okay, so all of us are done
I tried.
with our painting. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.
I like the clouds.
And make sure you come back tomorrow for another summer daily vlog. Anyhow, bye.